Hello my friends and welcome again to Health Fitness and Wellness Club. My name is Zoe and today we will find out about the 20 ways to stay fit easily. Getting into shape and staying fit is a difficult task. It can take weeks, if not months, of dedication and focus on your diet. Maintaining your fitness can be much more difficult. It's all too often to see people reach their fitness objectives only to swiftly abandon their new healthy lifestyle, undoing all of their hard work. While maintaining a healthy lifestyle might be difficult, there are some basic steps we can do to help. Try some of these suggestions for maintaining your fitness level with little effort. Here are the 20 ways to stay fit easily. 1. Refraining from eating. The practice of restricting one's food intake for a lengthy period of time is known as fasting. Fasting is a great strategy to boost your fat burning and preserve your leanness. You can try intermittent fasting by skipping breakfast and having lunch as your first meal. 2. Go for a walk. Taking a brief walk during the day can be a great way to burn some extra calories. If you work at a desk, this is very crucial. 3. Decreased carbohydrate intake. Low-carb diets are incredibly popular for weight loss for good reason. Low-carb diets have been proven to be an effective approach to losing weight in research. It's also a good option if you're worried about gaining weight again. 4. Take part in a sport that you enjoy. If you quit exercising, it will be tough to keep in shape. While you may not want to spend 2 hours on a treadmill, picking a sport you enjoy, such as basketball or ice skating, is a terrific way to be active while doing something you enjoy. 5. Invest in a stand-up desk. When you are stuck to a desk all day, it can be tough to maintain a healthy lifestyle. If your employer allows it, try standing at your desk. You might be amazed at how much staying healthy by standing and utilizing your leg and core muscles can help your overall health. 6. Experiment with high-intensity interval training, HIIT. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a terrific method to burn a lot of calories without spending a lot of time at the gym. Studies have also shown that HIIT cardio can help you burn more calories throughout the day. 7. Break up your workouts. If you're becoming tired of working out, try alternating morning and evening workouts. As a result, you'll be able to spend less time at the gym per session. 8. Make low-calorie desserts an experiment. Everyone wants dessert, but some of these high-calorie delicacies can be troublesome if you're attempting to lose weight. Look for low-calorie desserts online to satisfy your sweet tooth without feeling guilty. 9. Make the switch to a ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet has been demonstrated to increase fat burning and thus accelerate metabolism. This diet allows you to consume bacon and still stay in shape. 10. Ascend the stairs. This is a small change that can make a big difference. Try taking the stairs a few times a day instead of utilizing the elevator. It will just take a few minutes more and will help you maintain your fitness. 11. Drink some water before you eat. You'll probably feel a lot more hungry when you're going off a diet. This can lead to overeating, making it even more difficult to stay in shape. Before your meal, drink a large glass of water to help you feel filled and avoid overeating. 12. Start your day with a high-protein breakfast. According to studies, people who eat a high-protein, high-fat breakfast burn more fat throughout the day than people who eat carbs. Grab some eggs instead of that banana. 13. Increase your fiber intake. Fiber is another excellent technique to feel full and avoid overeating. Vegetables and fiber supplements, such as Quest bars, are exceptional sources of fiber. 14. Get a good night's rest. This is a crucial part of fitness and wellness that is sometimes disregarded. If you don't get enough sleep, your metabolism will be disrupted, making it much simpler to acquire weight. 15. Utilize a step counter. A step counter can assist you in determining your level of activity. Set a step goal for yourself and meet it every day to stay in shape. 16. Engage in 20 minutes of vigorous physical exercise. Life can be stressful, making staying in shape a challenge. Setting aside time each day to be active, even if it's only for 20 minutes, will help you stay fit. 17. Utilize a ball chair. Working at your desk in a ball chair can help you work on your core throughout the day. You may work out your abs while getting your work done this way. 18. While you're out and about, make phone calls. If your employment requires you to make a lot of phone calls, go for a stroll while doing so. You can turn a 30-minute conference call into a 30-minute stroll, which will help you keep in shape. 19. Carbohydrates and fat should never be mixed in the same meal. Plan your meals to avoid eating too many carbohydrates and fats at the same time. According to studies, this can lead to fat buildup, which is bad for remaining in shape. 20. Caffeine experimentation. Caffeine can make you feel energized as well as burn a few extra calories. Drink some coffee to wake up and start moving if you're feeling lethargic and inactive. You've worked so hard to be in shape, maintaining it shouldn't be nearly as challenging. This advice, of course, will not work for you if you revert to a life of junk food, lounging on the couch, and little exercise. If you're still attempting to live a healthy lifestyle, these pointers might be just what you need to keep in shape. You should consult your healthcare provider before starting any nutrition, diet, exercise, fitness, medical, or wellness program. These were the 20 tips and tricks to stay fit easily. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. I am Zoe from the Health Fitness Wellness Club and thank you for watching.